every time you leave me, I get lonely. I can't eat, I can't sleep, contemplating the way you have me waiting. Boy, on you, just be true.
AKA Philly First Lady of Dancehall, Summer Angel. We're introducing Summer Angel. Summer Angel, welcome to Philly YARDY Vibes.
Meow, it is me, Miss Maintenance Kitty. It is I, Some Angel, so have no fear. You don't know, big up YARDY Vibes Street. Thanks for having me, and I feel very pleased to be here.
And we're pleased to have you too. And I'd just like to ask you a few questions. I know that you're a Philly female dancehall. You're the dancehall Summer Angel. So I'd just like to ask you a few questions like, how long have you been in the business?
Dang, I've been in the business so long now, since I was a kid, because my father used to sing with Jigs the King. And Being a Man was raised in my home. My mom helped raise them. And Arthur Whale, Flipper Mafia. You know, my cousin and them are going big right now. Big up Flipper, you don't know. So many people, man. Lady Star, like being around everybody like that. The music is pentatonic.
Yeah, like, a whole bunch of inspiration.
So many inspiration. It's crazy.
Okay. So I know that the dancehall thing with the music is very competitive. So how you doing? I mean, you don't have to go in details, like, but is it good for you?
It's very good for me, and it's very competitive, especially when you live in America, right?
Yeah.
Because first of all, Philly is not a place for dancehall.
I
If they're New York, Miami, or England,
yeah,
it's been there Jamaica, or maybe even California. But what I do now is, I know that's rough, so I get into the acting business.
Oh yeah, I know you're doing acting now, so that's good. You go, girl. So, and then again, and like I said, I know it's very competitive, but I like this song. I like Maintenance Kitty. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, which is me.
Yeah, she the one that sings the song Maintenance Kitty for all you ladies. I'm Maintenance. That is Summer Angel.
Summer Step Juice.
Yes, she is. Show you. I'm a TV show, Spotlight TV. What give you all the idea about the Spotlight, the name of it and all that? I know
It was a raffle.
Angel.
It was a raffle. It was a. I'm Summer Angel, and Spotlight and Summer is light, and Angel is
okay.
It's something that I've been I wanted to do a TV show like what you guys are doing for a very long time, but I wanted to like get established, get a real show.
Yeah.
So I thought now if I do something, put it on YouTube, somebody will see it. I'm acting like, and then I'm nice or something.
Okay.
So, but
Spotlight. That's a good compliment, though.
Yeah. I mean, oh my God, girl. You have to come and set one day with me. Because you have to come in on one of them movies there with me, you know? Seriously. Because you have to see it.
So now we're going to do movies, see? Yes.
Yeah, but, Philly now. I'm sorry. But we're talking about now.
Anyway, I know you do designing. Do you plan to put a line out soon, or do you have a line out? What do you plan to do? How far do you plan to go with that?
Actually, last summer, me and my friends, we were called to do, but at this spot in, where was that place, Gabby? In Northeast. It was a place in Northeast. They could make your clothes and put your name. It's like a factory that does that. So I got the call last couple months ago about that. But I'm not sure what I want to do yet because there's so much things coming my way. I don't want to overfill my basket with all this work and then stressed out at the end.
Time when you got kids, so
exactly.
Big time for all that.
Yeah, but soon I'm gonna be sending my son to Jamaica because my mom just recently moved back to Jamaica to live. So I'm gonna send him to Jamaica so I can, do what I really want to do. Because just because my kids were so small, I really couldn't travel a lot. Like if I get shows, I can't really leave because I don't have no one to watch my kids. Even though that's what comes first. He was away for a while, but I was like doing all these things with Beanie Man and traveling with Lady Star and all that stuff. But now, he being 10, I don't,
He's still young.
I might have to ship him down. I'm gonna ship. I'm not even gonna tell her the box coming. I'm just gonna ship in the box.
Okay.
No ifs and buts about anything. This year is gonna be a marvelous year for me because I'm stepping up now more in the movie thing, and I'm not even so anxious about the music anymore. I love the music, but me just acting that's where my heart is.
You have the movie now, you have a business, and you have a clothing line coming out soon.
Hopefully.
Please let me know because I love designer. My designer in New York is Vindictive Couture.
Ooh, don't do it.
Yes. And he's very good because I like when I'm in the party, whenever you come out, just let me know.
Okay. But the only thing is, in New York, right?
Yeah, easy.
The girl, them in New York, them not too like them look up and the girl them are dressed in a design clothes. Like say them go buy cloth and make clothes. Them say them can't afford the real name brand clothes.
And that's dumb because you know what? Everybody, even if you go to the mall, who sold the clothes? A shoemaker?
No, nothing. But me tell you, I serious thing. Cause
I know they do that, but that's dumb because what? I like to know who's sewing my clothes. So at least I know I fit it, it fit. If it don't fit, you know what to do.
Because the thing is too.
Even in Philadelphia,
but designer clothes are really and truly. Who want really buy it? Not even 10. I don't go 50. Not so $50 or something.
Yeah.
But big up to all the girls who love make them clothes. You know, Keisha Jagger, big up yourself.
Casey Champion, big up. Zulika, big up. Yes.
Me want big up Gina Spectacular from Brooklyn. You start out, you all sell off. And Patricia talk about, aka you don't know easy to fix at Jamaica right now. Big up yourself, Kingston 11 straight. That's how it's said.
Walter Park Road.
Walter Park Road.
Yeah.
Crystal, Victoria, big up yourself, my sister. Cause you ever said, you ever ready, you ever fresh, you ever clean. Me out, it's me.
Yeah.
But me look, you know who first time I like a feeling? Rochelle Excellent.
Yeah, I like Rochelle.
Excellent.
I like Rochelle, yes.
Rochelle, make her stuff. Rochelle,
I know. She hasn't decided nothing for me yet, but I like her stuff. And I'm mad at you, Rochelle. Yes, I am.
No, yeah, that's what Rochelle would buy. Rochelle would buy that dress here, for instance. And when she come out in that dress, it don't look like even the dress that she got buy. Yeah. She put something I saw, she a ruffle queen, you know. Ruffle I saw, ruffle on the bottom.
And big up Ron, that's my designer in Philadelphia. Big up Ron. Big up Kim Splendors. And Tia, yes, we like to wear what we wear. We alone have it on, yeah.
And then I Gucci my tone. Then I Gucci have some style, you know.
Okay.
Then I Gucci have big man and she just started. It was nice to be here. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy being here with you and thanks for the gift. It was so sweet.
No problem anytime. That's me. Like I said, live, love, and laugh. That's my thing. So once I could do it, I'm going to do it.
Wait a minute. Did you see my bag for this? Pass me my bag. Let me show them the bag for the shoes. You know, you can't name I made them skitty and you now mash up the city. Watch out. Abe, and me only pay blah 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 for this and blah 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 for that. Me never go too hard. Watch out.
Where?
Right next to the Mercedes. That's the boy with the Mercedes Benz.
What?
Yeah,
What does he look like?
Man, some little ass dude.
You still want
Hey, what a surprise!
Can't really leave me alone, man.
Lock change, you can't go inside.
You mean
the
lock
place.
change?
Yes, Tessie.
What do you mean the lock change?
Mm.
Oh, what is man?
Yes. Then if you not pay me rent, me not fi change me lock. Everybody pay for them rent, them lock now go change.
But tell you the 15th cat, I know me don't get what can
Listen now, lady, me upstairs and see how your picnic coming at my place.
Can me tell
come
you
to
the
me
15th,
rent.
I always pay your rent no matter what, can I always pay your rent.
Listen, make I tell you something. It's only young people with these dressing and bossy walk and talk on street and drawing attraction and these boy in these nice car. We don't mean nothing. And you tell me say every 15 of the month you get paid. And yet you can't pay me my rent, but you can buy this whole heap of fire and dangles and sin thing. But one thing make me go give you the key for you and this going there. I threw a picnic. For God so loved the world that since send them a little nice picnic, you're not nice. You're not nice. Me rent me want.
So I'm gonna go into the house.
Say who you make life hard.
My friend gave me a key to an abandoned car. We can spend the night there. Everything alright?
Yeah. Oh, mommy.
Huh?
Why? Why we live on the road?
just for now, because you know, mommy didn't have the rent for the landlord, so
Can I help you do your homework?
that's why we're just gonna be here for a little bit, not for long.
Hey, mommy. Oh, when we get a house? So come on, I want to see.
When mommy gets some money and get a real job, okay? A real good job, okay?
Study somewhere, isn't it, Devante?
All right, sweetie, love you.
Oh, God. Why you always got to be so difficult?
Okay.
You know if it's spell cat?
Yeah, C-A-T.
Rat?
R-A-T.
Mat?
M-A-T.
Fat?
F-A-T.
All right, can you spell love? Mommy love you?
Yeah, L-O-V-E.
All right, kiss mommy. I love you.
Mommy, let me get home. That's why.
Why you say that?
Because I want to go home.
Remember we just got put out?
Yeah, but nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
I just got put out. We're gonna go home soon, okay?
Okay.
When I get back another job, we go home, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Come we go sleep, yeah? I'm tired. Come we go to bed. Put away your homework now. You good, right?
Yeah.
Come. Tomorrow morning we'll go to McDonald's and take a shower, and I'll bring you to school. Okay? Don't tell the teacher them that you live in a car, okay?
Let's tell my teacher.
Tomorrow morning, don't tell the teacher them what's going on in Devante, please. Well, they'll take you from me, okay? All right? Thanks for having me here. You don't know. And wanted to check out the movie Ignorance coming out next month. It will be on DVD, so you know you can inbox me and we can send you our copies. Check out the movie Living Is Odd and My Girl that I did last year, and we have a lot more to come. The new movie coming out, I'm playing a, I can't even say it. I'm a Christian woman, and the new movie coming out. It's called In God I Trust. It's about me and my husband's struggles and everything, and how we came back and found God in the end. So, everybody, listen to me. I was a girl like that didn't have anything. Everything was from my mom and my dad. It wasn't mine. But I came and I put my foot down in Philadelphia. I'm stepping at everybody's face. So I talk about me. Give them my back, and everything. So nobody can hate for me. Me buy my own a Benz and a rental. Because no found some things are rental. Because I'm still working on my big old Chris Benz. And one girl said, oh, somebody still have it. She said, oh, them girls say rental. I said, rental what? Oh, somebody can rent a drop top Benz for how much months? Oh, I forgot.
Big up Summer Angel, came out Mafia said that mother mode. Big up Summer Angel.
Big up Summer Angel, Spotlight TV.
Big up Spotlight TV, all the way Summer Angel, big up yourself straight.
Well, man, old gangali. Oh, man, old gangali. And whoever I still will see. Yeah, man, this is Lowy Gangali culture. I am tuned to Spotlight TV with the queen card, Summer Angel. Let it go.
We got Spotlight TV.
Hey, this is Summer Angel, Philadelphia's first lady dancehall music, and you tuned into Spotlight TV. I want you to sit back and enjoy the ride as I share with you some Lady Saw, some Trina, and some Vibes Cartel. Have no fear.